Take one. Is this a take one? I'm in charge now, guys. I'm Chef Nicole Gomes. This is take one. I am opening a new restaurant at YVR called Lucky Lily Asian Brasserie. Today I'm gonna make you Beijing Bolognese. It's a rendition of a traditional Asian tossed noodle dish called julienned. This is a super easy dish. You always start with the meat ragu first. We're using ground pork today. That's traditional, but you can use ground beef. The basis of this noodle dish is a fermented soybean paste called ground bean paste. It's pretty widely available. It's kind of like Chinese miso. And then hoisin, which a lot of you probably know, also somewhat a fermented soybean paste. You need a cup of water. This is really easy, like so easy. I'm not gonna measure. It's like some hoisin. Okay, that looks about right. And then some fermented bean paste. It's nice and thick, so I don't know, that much. Like 2 tablespoons maybe. You're gonna mix it up in water. This is kind of the base for the sauce for the ragu. I also have a pan on medium high. Oh my God, I can smell it already. Some canola oil. Whatever, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, like, just don't use olive oil, it's not Italian food. You wanna kinda get the oil kinda hot, and when you see the first wisp of smoke, you know that the meat's ready to go in and you're gonna get some nice color. The other thing we need for this pork is ginger, and I've got a super chef hack for peeling ginger. If you didn't know, maybe you did, I don't know. You use a spoon to peel it, and you just scrape along the ginger like this. Super easy. You can use a knife and chop it fine, or actually you can use a microplane, which happens to be back here. I don't know if you've seen one of these things. It's also called a rasp. Super easy. The oil's still heating up, and you just grate it like this. Gets it super nice and fine. Ginger's really good for you, so you can't really put too much, to be honest. Tap, tap. Look at that, a tablespoon of ginger, just like that. So this is starting to smoke, so I've got this ground pork, and the trick, always put meat in away from you, because if the oil splashes, it won't splash to you. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Oh. If you feel your pan's too dry, just add more oil. I do. I like that. It's good for you. When I'm sauteing the meat, I then add 5-spice powder. 5-spice is an Asian like spice mix. It has anise seed in it, star anise, clove, cinnamon, Szechuan peppercorn. It's very strong. You don't need a lot of it. And I actually like to add it while the meat's sauteing. It's more fragrant. I'm guessing that this much would need, I don't know, half a teaspoon. I've got my nifty ginger. Gonna add it to that too. In the back, I have a pot of boiling water. It's on high. And I have these beautiful wheat noodles. This is from a 40-plus-year-old noodle factory in Chinatown. These are actually the noodles we're using at Lucky Lily. These only take 2 to 3 minutes to cook. So this dish is not like a soupy noodle. It's a saucy noodle. So really, really easy. So you don't want to do it too in advance. If you cook noodles too far in advance, then they're soggy and they have no chew. This dish at Lucky Lily you'll find, and I think it's gonna be the underdog. I've been eating this my whole childhood. It was our favorite dish when we were kids. My grandma made an amazing version of it. This meat is now sauteing. The ginger. Oh my God, I wish you could smell it in here. So you're gonna break up that meat a little bit. And to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Do less, not a lot at the beginning. It looked like a lot, it's not. And I also have this awesome Chinese sherry. It's called Shaoxing wine. It's in most Chinese cooking. These are all ingredients we're actually using at Lucky Lily. You can take the leftovers and eat it on a plane, and like, this is what I would do. And so I've just put a little bit of this sherry wine in so it reduces. That's the thing about cooking, it's not actually measured, it's from love, and it's from like figuring it out and making a recipe like 5 times, 100 times, and perfecting it. I'm gonna add that hoisin, water, ground bean paste mixture to this, and I'm gonna let it simmer down really fast, and at the same time when it's simmering, I'm gonna cook the noodles. I'm gonna put some green onions in there, the whites of the green onions. There's the white in there. And I'm gonna add this sauce. I'm gonna prep the topping. So this noodle is tossed. You can put anything from pickled vegetables on top to traditionally what I like is actually just cucumber and green onions. So I take a green cucumber and I don't peel it. This is a washed cucumber and I'm gonna julienne it. So I'm just gonna take it down like this. Nice thin strips. And oops, that's a bit much. And then just a julienne. And then a little bit of green onion as well. And these are when you use the greens. I put the whites in that ragu. I am so hungry. So the noodles, one bundle feeds, that's a good size portion, and you just put it into the water for 1 to 2 minutes. And you move it around with a pair of tongs so it doesn't clump up. Let it come to a boil for 2 to 3 minutes. I am gonna taste this for salt. So good. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I'm just gonna try this noodle to see if it's cooked. I don't like them overcooked. Okay, 30 more seconds and I'll drain it, and the sauce is almost ready. Okay, I'm gonna go to the sink and drain this and rinse it under hot water. Drain the noodles. I rinse it really quickly with hot water. It's all about the noodle. It's the quality of the noodle. It's like, I love that it's from a noodle shop in Chinatown. Goes right in this bowl like this. Delicious. And you get this awesome ragu. But you just put a little bit of the sauce and this ragu right next to the noodle, and you top it with cucumber and green onion. And voila, or as in Cantonese, they say, "Sick fan, time to eat." This is a tossed noodle. Ooh, there's some sauce in there. There's cucumber and ragu. It literally is like Bolognese. This reminds me of like eating with my grandma, and I wonder if it's better than her recipe. I hope to see you at my new restaurant, Lucky Lily Asian Brasserie at YVR.